So understanding the key components of bookkeeping is very important. Bookkeeping is essential as a foundation to understanding how your business is actually doing from an operational standpoint, from a profitability standpoint, because if you don't know how your business is doing, how do you know if you're winning the game? So there's a few components of bookkeeping that are super important. One is that it's up to date. One of the biggest challenges I see inside businesses is where individual business owners don't know how their business is performing. Why? Because their bookkeeping is not up to date. Think of this as your scoreboard in your business. You want to know where you're at, how much time is left, and if you're winning the game. The next component, once it's up to date, is making sure that it's accurate and reliable. If the information that is going in there is not accurate, it's going to provide you with the wrong, misleading information on making informed decisions. Accuracy is a key element of it. And then the third component, which I think is the most valuable, is once you're up to date, once it's accurate and reliable, how do we interpret this information to make sure that we make those correct decisions? So those are the three foundational components of understanding your bookkeeping: up to date, accurate, and know how to interpret it. Because what we know about good bookkeeping is that it will put you in the right position to completely be successful in making good decisions for your business, for all of your employees, and ultimately achieving your path to success.